kids.
No, the kids are not going to ask. It's the parents. Hey guys, this is John Lee Hilliard from JT's Vending. So right now, I'm walking our son through his budget, and this week he learned a valuable lesson. Have you ever been to the point where you've earned enough money, but you ran out of money before the month was up or before your next paycheck? So that's what happened to my son. He ran out of enough money to pay his expenses for the week and to kind of have some money to mess around with, have fun with. So this weekend he earned $37 this week, and now I'm trying to help him understand. Without a doubt, you have expenses coming up next week. Means there's guaranteed at least $6 that need to be spent on expenses, and then he wants his own special snacks from the store, so he buys those. And on average, he spends about put that down, $8 to $10 a week on his special snacks. Nobody touches but him. So he has at least $16 worth of expenses coming up, and he's learning how to manage his money in the correct way. So we're putting him through a process that most adults go through and don't understand. Most adults, including myself, used to think that I could out earn my stupid, or I'll be all right until the next paycheck, and that was not the case. So what we're showing you guys here now is the money he earned minus the money he spent at the grocery store this weekend. So he's putting at least, how much is this? He's putting $19 in his spend folder, and it's okay for him to have extra in his spend folder and he don't spend it, and it carries over to the next week. And then his save folder, he's putting $3 in his save folder, and in his give folder, he's giving $2 in his save folder. Now, these are the things that we do to teach our children about money using the Dave Ramsey's setup, but it's extremely simple. You can just get some envelopes, write spend, save, and give on them, and paying your child with cash is something tangible that they can understand and put their hands on, versus getting them a debit card and letting them swipe until their heart is content. And then when their bank account is zero, then they don't understand. Hold on, wait a minute. My wife is trying to talk and didn't specify to me she was about to talk. Hold on, let me get close to my wife so she can explain.
It's like letting a kid just use a calculator to do a math problem. They need to be able to understand that 1 + 1 = 2 before they punch it into a calculator. They need to understand cash and the value of it and the tangibility of it before they can understand the swipe of a card.
All right, I hope she explained it well. But thank you, sweetheart. But so hold on. Now my son is wanting to speak. Go ahead, Trey.
Hi guys. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna do magic. Okay. Okay.
He said at the end of this video about teaching children about money, he's going to do a magic trick. So, like I was saying. Okay, back to the money part. So, we're putting the money in this folder. So next week, when it's time for him to go to the grocery store, which he goes with me, and he goes, "Oh, Dad, I want those snacks for school next week." He'll purchase those snacks out of his spend folder right here, and he'll be fine. And he knows that when he goes to the store, if this folder looks empty or is empty, he has no money to spend. We do not allow him to take from his savings, which is taken from his future, to try to fund something other than an emergency. And he's 12, guys. He don't have an emergency. We handle all emergencies in this house. So anyway, this is just a video showing you guys what to do. If your child is 12 and older, we have videos. We'll be posting videos with children around the age of 2, which is my daughter, showing you how we pay her and showing you how we go through that process with her of explaining what money is at the age of 2. So, do you want to do a magic trick real quick? All right. All right, my son is about to do a magic trick.
Okay. Ready? Look at the hat. No, you know, right? Now, I look at that. Okay. Ha. Huh?
A rabbit out of a hat. And I think that rabbit dead. All right, guys. Have a blessed weekend. Au revoir. A bientôt. À la prochaine. My wife. Are you about to say something? Okay. Make sure you teach your kids about money, guys. I know we post a lot of videos about our children learn about money, but in order to get them to not only to survive in life as adults, but to thrive, they need to understand or have a solid financial foundation, because without that, they'll end up spending all their money looking fake rich, and they'll end up real broke, and they'll be in their 30s calling mama and daddy, "Mama, give me the money. Daddy, give me some money," just like I did. So I don't want my kids to depend on me when they grow up, because I want to be enjoying my retirement with my beautiful wife and traveling and minding my business. So teach your kids about money, and you'll have less stress when they grow up. All right, gotta go.